Alright, hello and welcome to another video. So this video is now about my final conclusion about the Lightning Network. I have really tried. I tried using it. I wanted to find out if it works, if it doesn't work. Right. So I must say the Zap wallet itself, it has a nice overlay. It's very easy to create and manage channels. Nevertheless, the Lightning Network seems in the current state too complicated for the normal person. So I wasn't even able to do the payments here. So I guess I would be able if I would have two Zap wallets, so on one computer and another one, and then set up the channels. It would probably work. In my case, I tried to use the famous Bitcoin Beach wallet, which is a custodial wallet, so you're not even in control of your own quote unquote keys here. But yeah, so to be honest, all in all, it's it's well too complicated, I guess, for a normal person. It also probably says a lot that a software developer is not able to do a Lightning payment between those two after spending hours. And so the problems you've got with Lightning Network, obviously you have to pre-fund the channels. You have also to balance the channels. Whenever you open a channel, you pay high fees basically. The the minimum capacity for many channels is also very high, so many channels want you to pre-fund with 0.01 Bitcoin and stuff like that, and it's basically a very high pre-fund you have to do for a channel, and you need much capital to open many channels there. Right. Anything else? Yeah. So the normal person, more or less, will probably not use the Lightning Network yet. And yeah, at least between those two entities here, it's been very exhausting. Also, if there's not a path, like I said, if there's not a channel or a path to the other location, then you have to find out where you more or less kind of link in. Um, yeah, so it was very burdensome. Also, channel opening takes a lot of time. Except if so, you pay fees for opening a channel. You pay the fees, and also for closing the channel. So if you would close the channel, then it would settle, and then I would have to again pay huge fees. So it's not really that cool. So anything else here? Yeah, it was, like I said, very exhausting to use. Also, as we saw earlier, that the Lightning invoices that they are only valid for like 1 hour or something like that. So right, so so in actuality, people using the Bitcoin Beach app are not using Bitcoin, are also not using the Lightning Network, in my opinion. So it could be wrong here, but in my opinion, so like I said, the paying here is basically a IOU transfer. I told you that. That one here is a IOU transfer that has nothing to do with Bitcoin or anything. It's just they decided to use Bitcoin, but they could as well just use Euro. It's just, like I said, an IOU management system. And also, when you send here over Lightning, it doesn't seem to work, I guess. So, and also, none of the users has its own channel. They're all using the Bitcoin Beach channel, more or less. So it's basically, again, maybe, so if you're actually using it, it's now you transfer over Lightning. So with one node, yeah, right. So I am trying to be here as fair as possible. I might make at some later point a follow-up video, but for now I give up. I won't get it to work. So yeah, it's too bad. But yeah, these are my final conclusions here. Right. So at some point I might try it again, but like I said, it burned already like 15 euros in transaction fees, and it's also kind of annoying. They would have gotten so much extra fee for that. Okay, just kidding here. But yeah. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.